So we're going to demonstrate really quick how to go through and create utilization reports for your cloud. There's a feature within UCS Director called Cloudsense. Cloudsense is designed to be able to be, a fantastic tool to use for creating custom reports, as well as there's a lot of built-in reports that are currently in the system itself. So there's a lot of things that you can do with it to be able to get the information you need. In some cases, very specific to what your organization is looking for by creating custom reports. So let's go in and take a look at Cloudsense. So in order to be able to get access to it, you've got to go to the Cloudsense tab, and then you can then select initially the Reports tab. So the Reports tab will show a lot of the pre-built reports that are currently in place. And you got everything from an application container report to a billing report for a customer, as well as different components that are going to look at key areas of, your virtual cloud environment. So if you want to get information on VMware cloud utilization, you can pull up a quick report on that and then view the contents of it. So here we're going to do a quick look at, what's going on within the VMware environment, and we can see the amount of CPU that's being used, as well as memory and other aspects of it. So it gives you a really good view of all the different characteristics and the utilization of that particular part of your cloud environment. And of course, you can do it from a storage perspective. You can do it on the network side. You can also, do assessments of the actual infrastructure itself to see if you have capacity issues. There's a lot of capabilities just from the built-in reports here. But some of the more powerful aspects you have also can be done via the report builder. So the report builder allows you to be able to create custom reports. So if you want to create a report, just click the add template. And here we can actually create a new report. So I'm going to create a TPS report that has to be done when you come in on Saturday. That's a joke, by the way. Look it up if you don't understand that joke. This particular one will show you how to add, some different components to that actual report. So the report is based on a particular context. So in this case, I can have it based on virtual data center, cloud, physical account, global, global view of the entire cloud. It's flexible from that perspective. So we're going to do it based on the virtual data center. And then this is going to allow us to be able to fine tune it by group. So here we're going to go back to the Sales Gold VDC, and then we're going to have the trend reports be based on, a particular period of time. So in this case, we can do it hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. I'm going to go ahead and do it hourly just so we can get some good information. So here we're going to go ahead and select what reports are going to be in it. And you're going to get a complete list of all the different items that you could potentially have in that report. So this lets you customize the report so that you can have the information that you're looking to be able to present. So for example, if I want to have network cost trending, I want to see how much CPU utilization I have, as well as the trending of the CPU, to see if I have a capacity issue I've got to start dealing with. Maybe I want to get a list of how many VMs I have. As well as the number of events that we're seeing and their severity level. All of this information I can then select and then be able to create that report. So I'll submit that report. Now that particular template has been added. I can also generate other ones as well. So I can add another set of reports to this particular template. So I can ultimately have a whole host of reports that can be generated automatically. And that's the beautiful part about this. So I'm just going to add this one so that we can see what it looks like, and then we'll submit that to the system. So now you can see here, I have that particular report that's been generated, and I can go in and actually view the reports associated with that, template that I just created. And then, of course, we don't have anything that's been generated just yet because it's brand new. But if we did have that, you would see then those reports that would be created at this point.